Hey guys, we got nv78 NV series laptop for the power jack repair. The exact model is nv7802U. Also, this is a U, and it's KAYF0. Alright, so that's the exact model. NV78 NV series 7802U. 2U. Alright, so what we do here is we replace the power jacks right here, those guys, on the laptops, and we charge $100 total for the power jack repair. That includes the labor, the parts, and the shipping back to you, and we're based in Chicago, so if you're in Chicago, you can stop by, we can fix it. So let me show you how to take the system apart to get to the motherboard. The way you remove the hard drive is lift up this black tab, push it that way, this way, and move the tab right here like that. 2 screws right here. If you like the video, just leave a like below the video. Alright. Now one more screw right here. Okay. Okay, there are tabs that are holding the cover in place. Don't pull out too fast because there should be a cable behind it. Yep. Flip it over this way. Mark which way is which. Like that. Now remove the keyboard. Somebody already screwed up removing the keyboard. So they sent us the button. Let's see if we can put that button back in. Which is not that easy, guys. It's a pain in the butt to put the buttons in, especially if they're broken, which this one could be. Again, it's a painful process, and I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna give up right now. I'll do it a bit later. Wow, it did work. Strange. Usually it takes forever. Anyways, now the key is inside. So let me continue the repair. So we need to disconnect all those cables. Disconnect the hinges by sliding them down here. Like that. Slide those guys up. Slide these guys up. Alright. Like that. Don't pull on the cable, make sure the cable slides out easily. Because if you damage this cable, it's a pain in the butt to replace it. Now what you want to do, you want to take this tape off. raise this guy up and up. Alright, the shorter is that way, it's called X5, and X9 is the longer ones towards U. Set the monitor aside, unscrewing everything here. Alright guys, we don't have any advertisement or anything like that. Make sure to leave a like. Just, you know, scroll down a little bit and press like button. If you like the way how, if it's helpful to you. Hopefully it helps. Now, you wanna be moving this guy out. Alright, like that. And now we got to the motherboard. This is where the jack is at. Don't disregard this tape, we're gonna reuse it. Okay, now here we disconnect the wireless cable. We disconnect this cable for this board. And we disconnect the screw right here. And since this is an Acer, that's the only, oh, Gateway, sorry. Same company though. Alright. Now we get to the jack. And we're gonna remove this dust right here. And we have to remove even more dust while we add it. Because the more dust you get here, the warmer this place is, and that's the reason why the jack melts and the solder is melting as well. So now this is nice big fat layer of dust. Now just because you remove the dust doesn't mean it's not going to accumulate there. So what you want to do is run a little cleaning on the heatsink like that and everywhere there. Alright. Alright, now it's nice and clean. So yeah, the jack is strange. Seems like somebody already screwed around with the jack before, because nope, it seems alright. Okay, never mind. So let me go find this kind of jack. And by the way, if you took apart the laptop yourself and you can't desolder the jack, just pack it up, ship it to us. For you, the option is 60 bucks. That includes the labor, the parts, and the shipping back to you if you send just the motherboard. If you send the whole laptop, it's going to be 100 bucks. Includes the shipping back to you. Alright, so that's the 1.65mm center pin. Brand new jack. We can install there. Alrighty. Alright, I hope you can see everything. The image might move a little bit. Now the goal is to desolder the jack properly. There's tons of glue. Somebody glued something here. So let me. It's much harder to work on jacks that have glue on them. that's pain. That's really a pain to work on. Guys, don't glue anything, please. It's really good glue. Because the more I'm gonna stretch it, the more the board gonna get damaged. So and I can't solder it because the soldering iron gonna be soldering the glue, not so much the jack. Oh my. Well, I guess I have to go through the soldering iron anyway. This sucks. Okay, you probably don't have to deal with that unless you put glue on it. Alright, finally. Alrighty, and you're pretty much all set. Now the problem with the glue is you need the perfectly level surface to install the new jack on. So yeah, everything should work fine. Again, if you like the video, just leave a like. Okay, put in one of the screws right here. Okay. Okay. Make sure everything sits properly. Let's put in the top cover. Yeah, there are short screws here. Right. Short one here. And another short one here. And I think this one is from here. This one is from here. And this one is too long. So this one goes right here. Alright. And the short one goes right there. That's the shortest one. Okay. Now I want to put in the CD-ROM in. Okay. Just to make sure it's gonna fit. And now we're putting the screen back onto the laptop. Like that. Like that. Like that. Now long screws go into the front. Like that. And another long screw goes right here. that. Now we got shorter screws. One goes in here, one goes in here, and one goes right here. Alright. Now we are putting the cables into this little channel. Alright, I want to connect this one right away because I have fat fingers and there's not enough room. Alright, so disconnect it. Alright, keep putting those wires into those channels. This one I'm just gonna connect right here. And okay. Looks good. Connected, 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 connected. Alright, and those guys we're gonna connect on the back. Let's put the keyboard in place. Let's put the keyboard in place. Like that, like that. Okay. Looks good. Now you want to snap it into the snap pieces here and here, and you want to connect this ribbon cable right here. Okay, a little bit to the left. That's a pain. Like that. Close the hitch. And all right. Okay. Looks good to me. Okay. Snap these guys in place. In place. In place. In place. Yep. Now let's do the wiring. Wonderful. Okay. shortest ones go here. Slightly short one, but not the shortest one, goes right there. Put the hard drive in space. Connect the wires here and here. Okay. All right. Not bad. Everything seems to be going alrighty. Okay. Okay. And alright. Plug in the battery. Let's find the power supply for it. The guys who sent that to us didn't provide the power supply, so we will have to test it with our power supply. And you should understand that this is a specific power supply. It's 1.65 millimeter on the inside and 5.5 on the outside. If your power supply is not 1.65 by 5.5, then it's not gonna work. Alright, this is not the proper one, but it should work temporarily. So let's see if it's gonna be working. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's see. We got the red light right here. You see the red light? Yeah. You see? Red one. That means the battery is charging. Let's power it up. Right there, it powers up. So yeah, leave a like or send the laptop to us for the repair. Thanks so much. Have a good day.